Welcome to my new project. It's a 1978 Sabre sailboat, and I bought this many years ago, and now I'm going to refit it. It's going to be a total refit. It's going to be a partial refit. It could be any kind of refit. I don't really know. Today, I'm going to rip out this shelf over here on the port side of the boat. It has some real skanky vinyl covering in the back, which I'm going to rip that all out. We're going to sand it all down, and we're going to build a new one. We'll see what happens. Okay, let's get this thing apart. Okay, so we're going to cut this glass right here, all the way on the top, on the bottom, and along here. So before, I was thinking that this piece was good. It's laminated nicely into the hull. You can see here it's delaminated and started to rot. So I'm going to take it out. All right, just got to get this top piece off now. There we go. The last one.